Hi, my name is Ashton Richards. I'm a sales consultant here with Veith Consulting, and today I wanted to go over our property management or vehicles module with you. First thing I'll show you is the configuration options that you can find under the configuration menu, under other configuration options, and the vehicles down here at the bottom. So with this, we only have the one tab right now for field options. In here you can include an admin notification email if you'd like to be notified when anything happens with this module. You can enable categories. You can also enable it so only admins can edit the fields. If you want to change the name of or if you want to change the title of this piece, you just include this here and it would show up in parentheses. You'll see this here in a minute when I show you where this actually is located with the admin menu. If you want to change the word vehicle to something else, you can just put whatever you want in here. And all of these other fields here are just alternate titles for these various options. So anything you put in here would just replace whatever is shown here. Down here we have 5 optional text fields. If you put something in here for the title of that text field, then this will enable that field to be shown, otherwise it won't show up. You can also use this turn on authorized users field to allow for cross-reference members to also have access to a vehicle, in this case of the parent record that they're cross-referenced with. And if at any time you want to see more information about these, you can always click on this blue information icon button and it'll show you more information about it. So next it'll be under members. You'll see the member vehicles with vehicle in parentheses. So this is where we're going to go. So on here there's a few things to look at. We have an add new vehicle button both at the top and the bottom, a show hide columns, a status section which is all active and deleted, a search category. You have the owner, the vehicle year, vehicle make, vehicle model, category, vehicle number, and actions. And then at the very bottom, underneath the other add new vehicle button, you have report, CSV, and add edit custom fields. So when you first come in here, it should be on active for status. You'll know that a vehicle is active because it'll have edit as well as delete here. If a record has been deleted, you look on the deleted section and you'll see that there's only the edit option. If you look under all, it's going to include everything. So if we look at one of these, for example, you'll see who the owner is currently. The authorized users here, you could just start typing in someone's name from your member database and it will pop up here, and you can include multiple people with this. You just fill out the other information. Since you logged in as an admin right now, this vehicle status field will be viewable to you, and you can set it for active or deleted currently. And then the title date, purchase date, and sell date, all 3 of these are the custom fields, which I will get into next. Then you would just do save changes at the bottom if you make any changes to an existing record. But that's also how it would look to add a new vehicle. So now, at the bottom here, we'll do this add edit custom fields. Here you'll see that there's title date, purchase date, and sell date. If you want to add a new field, you can just click on this add new field option here. For the time being, I'm going to go ahead and click edit since this is going to be the exact same thing. So you would do your field name. If you want it to be a child field of an existing field, you can do that here and just select what other field it is that you have created. The field type you would have to select, you can choose from text, text caption, checkbox, selection, numeric, multi-line, or a date field. In this case, it is a date field since it is a title date. If you want to make it a required field, you can just check this box here and it would make it so that it becomes required information. If you want to include any instructions, you can include that here. With this, you also can manually nest these categories yourself. So you can just click and drag and include it in a field, and it will now have been a nested section. So just like that, you can manually put all these together, but since we don't want that, we'll just drag them back apart. And you'll see that that success box is up here at the upper right, showing that it's saving the changes that you're doing. Next, we'll do reports. So on here, you'll see its owner, member type, vehicle year, vehicle make model, vehicle model category, license plate number, vehicle type, the VIN number, description, and again, all three of the custom fields that were added, the title date, purchase date, and sell date, are all included here. If you want to extract this as a .csv file, you can just click at the bottom here, and it would allow for you to do that. So next, I will show you another way to go about this. So in the members database, when you actually have someone who has a vehicle selected, you can just do their member info here. And then on these tabs here, you'll notice that there's this vehicle option. So you can just click on the vehicle option. It'll show you who the owner is, what vehicles are owned, what vehicles have they've been authorized to use, and you can also do this add new vehicle. And again, this is the exact same thing as adding a vehicle in that module itself. And again, since I'm logged in as an admin, I can see this vehicle status option. If you're logged in as a member, you would not see this status option at all. Hopefully you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day.